Hello and hi everyone! In this series, my weekend plan is on a journey to explore the flavors of Malaysia, one dish at a time. This weekend, we are learning how to make one of Kedah's most famous dishes, Bihun Sup Utara. Kedahans out there, today's your day. This rice noodle dish with broth made of beef bones is a must-try whenever you're in Kedah. The flavors are complex and served with a lot of condiments such as a spicy sambal and deep-fried shallots. Kedah is a northwestern state in Malaysia and is bordering with Thailand. So join me today to learn how to create a bowl of Bihun Sup Utara, and don't forget to stay tuned to the end to discover the taste. Let's start off with the beef broth. First, blend these ingredients and set aside to combine later. Then, place every ingredient in a pot and fill it with water. Note that the key to good Bihun Sup Utara is its broth. So in order to develop amazing flavors, boil it for around 2 hours. You can also add other spices such as Ground Fennel to improve the flavors and aroma. The signature yellow rice noodle actually acquired its color from the turmeric powder. So just mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder together with the boiling water. After blanching the noodle, make sure to put the noodles through running water to remove the excess starch. And of course, you gotta cool the noodle completely. For the sambal, just fry the ingredients in oil until it's fully cooked. To serve, place the noodle in a bowl, then pour in the soup. Sprinkle some Chinese parsley, spring onions, and fried shallots. Then top it off with the sambal and a slice of lime, and it is ready to be served. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and good luck trying the recipe. Stay tuned for the next one to find out how the taste will turn out. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next one. Bye! Wanki, so is this your first time seeing this kind of dish?
A bit like wonton mee.
Wonton mee? Jing jing jing! Wow! Take a look at that, yo! There's a lot of components inside and ingredients, and this is the one and only Bihun Sup Utara. Yep, I got that right. And there's like, whoa, corianders, fried shallots, lime, sambal. We are gonna, have some fun and taste this interesting dish out. I mean, this is my first time seeing a bowl from Kedah. So, let's get going! There we go! The young Gen Zs! Okay, before we begin, I'll need a little bit of introduction. How old are you guys? Putting on the spot. Come on, how old?
21.
Wow, see?
2 years old.
Young guys, eh? What about us, huh?
Is it old already?
Already home. Okay, anyways. Wanki, so is this your first time seeing this kind of dish?
A bit like wonton mee.
Wonton mee?
Because the noodle is very halus.
Thin.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So we have wonton mee here. Okay, and then you? This is what? What is this?
Prawn noodle.
Okay. Alright. You can start trying it, and then we will ask questions along the way. While you're eating, I have a task for you. You need to ask me questions.
Besides putting the beef, right, can we put chicken, like other stuff?
Oh, great question.
Actually, for Bihun Sup Utara, I've never eaten the chicken version of it. It's always beef.
Why is it beef?
You mean why does it have to be beef, is it?
Yeah.
Because the Bihun Sup Utara is beef lah. The base is the beef bone broth.
Is it like, this one is from Kedah, is it?
Kedah Utara lah.
Oh yeah, we should ask you guys. But anyways.
Yeah.
Okay, so does it answer your question?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why need to put this one?
Lime lah.
Yeah.
To give a like sourness lah, a bit.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
it's sour.
a fresh taste.
Yeah, something that spice up the whole bowl.
Yeah.
Is it?
It's kind of like freshen up lah, the whole bowl.
Yeah.
Okay, great question. Okay, now my turn to ask you guys a question.
Okay.
How do you find the taste? What does it remind you of? This is like no response or anything.
I really don't know.
Does it
this one
remind
is
you of
also
any
my
food?
first time eating it.
Yeah, does it remind you of any food you had before?
No.
Like personally for myself, when I took a first bite, it reminded me of bakso. Yeah.
What is bakso?
What is bakso? Chef, please.
Bakso is I think it's a bimbo broth, and then with the beef
Bowl. Right. Like
meatball.
yeah.
Yeah, the beef meatball.
That's right.
Yeah.
And you guys? No, this is your first time taste this kind of taste.
Yeah.
Got lah, got what? Got one.
Yes, like
In Cantonese we call it ngao lam mi. Ngao lam mi.
now lami.
Beef noodle, right?
Yeah.
I think it's beef noodle.
It's a Cantonese dish.
Cantonese one, yeah.
Oh, okay.
But the color is almost the same, I guess.
Because got beef ma.
Oh.
So,
So anything got
it's-
beef is beef. I'm like, okay.
Yeah, basically anything that got beef is beef lah.
Yeah lah. Okay.
Because we take over the
Yeah.
everything, right?
So three of us already asked question. Now it's the chef's turn to ask question.
Do you like the dish? Just a simple question.
Yeah.
That's a very okay.
Okay.
Yeah. What would you rate the dish?
8 out of 10.
Okay.
7 out of 10.
And why?
8 out of 10 because the flavor is very strong and I really like it.
Mm-hmm.
And the saltiness is just good.
Okay. Okay, that's great. That's
7
fair.
out of 10 because of some Chinese maybe cannot eat the beef.
Oh, high five. Oh, can you eat?
Oh, I can.
Okay.
Was worried for a second.
Okay. Okay. Who cooks here at home? Simple question. High five too. You see the young generation apa dia buat rumah? Busy whole day, no cooking.
I wait for,
Nice life,
I
huh?
wait for chef to cook for me.
Yeah, no, just wait for food only. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoy watching these two young gents sharing their thoughts on a wonderful dish from Kedah. And if you want to learn more how to make it, how to cook
Go
it,
to
how to
our
prepare it,
website.
that's right. Go to our website and subscribe to our channel, like our video, and we'll see you again. Bye bye. Ciao.